We are just under 2 weeks away from our November trip to Walt Disney World. We're going to be staying at Copper Creek this time. We are Disney Vacation Club member owners there. Stayed at Animal Kingdom Lodge a few times, but never at Copper Creek, so this will be a new adventure. Going to be posting a lot of videos from the Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. Most of those videos are going to air in December since it is Christmas videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell notification. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the videos. Day one, and we have just arrived here at Copper Creek at Walt Disney World. This is our first time staying here, so I'll give you a tour of the room here in a minute. We're going to be staying in a deluxe studio with a walk-in shower. Give you that tour and look around the resort some. Okay, we're at Copper Creek. We're in a deluxe studio with a walk-in shower, and gonna give you a little look around. We are on the second floor, which is the ground level here. So our balcony is actually just a little patio area, but got a cool little view of the lobby and the little creek that runs down to the pool area. Very private, really close to the lobby. And it has, of course, the pull-out sleeper sofa. It has the bed, little TV area, a little small dinette, and a little kitchenette area with a microwave, coffee pot, refrigerator, and of course, bathroom. And this one has the walk-in shower with the rain shower. And so this is a deluxe studio here at Copper Creek with a walk-in shower. Large fireplace area here in the main lobby of Copper Creek. There's the room we've got for this trip, right here on the second floor, which is ground level at this height. They are playing bingo this evening over here at Geyser Point Bar and Grill. So there's lots of activities to do. We were back here in August and they were doing a marshmallow roast for s'mores and stuff. So all kinds of little fun activities around here at the resort. The geyser here at Geyser Point is finally erupting. We are going to Whispering Canyon Cafe this evening for dinner. Eating at Whispering Canyon Cafe this evening. What all is on that? And everybody's?
Everybody's,
Yeah, we share.
All right, this here is for you too, okay? She's turning 21. She's hiding in the corner. Her name is Dale, okay? We're gonna have some help. Help sing happy birthday with me, okay? Because I'm terrible at it. All right? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Dale. Happy birthday to you. Birthday treat.
I hate you.
You want to say happy birthday, Joe Mama? Look at our name tag. It says Joe Mama. All right, on the count of 3, let's sing. Okay, Mary Linda, y'all want to sing with us? All right, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Jemima. Happy birthday to you. You want your cupcake too?
So whose birthday?
Your mama.